Hi! So I was just about to go and make face pack of the day. So maybe I'll take you along. Come. And yes, this is my pandemic or the lockdown outfit. I love wearing XL sized shirt. It's so easy breezy and comfy. So let's go. Always start with clean face and clean hands. So I'm gonna wash my face. So I just washed my face. Let's get started with my skin. So this is my cute little face pack cup, but it's made of silicone. But the thing is, I had tried this face pack which is used by Priyanka Chopra in the last video which I had uploaded, and I had used turmeric. It was a very pure one, I guess, I don't know, but it was so intense that it left stains on my cute cup. Anyways, so for today's face pack, I'm going to use this royal powder, the sandalwood powder. So this, and then I'll be using the hero of all face pack, which is widely used. This is Fuller Earth or Multani Mitti. So I'm gonna use these two ingredients. So to make a paste-like consistency, you can use rose water or curd, yogurt, anything that makes your skin feel good. So I'm going to use curd because curd acts as a moisturizing agent. As my skin is dry and it needs a lot of moisturization, I'm going to use curd. So now I'm gonna mix it up. I added 1 more spoon of curd, so the paste looks like this. So the mask is ready, but before applying the mask, we should know what these ingredients are for. Firstly, sandalwood powder. Sandalwood powder helps in detanning your skin. So if you are someone who has tanned skin, sandalwood powder is for you. And secondly, it helps in healing the pimple, acne or any breakouts. So I have few breakouts, so yes, I need this. So thirdly, it fades away the dark spots you have. So if you use the sandalwood powder regularly, it is going to fade away the dark spots or uneven skin tone. Fourth point is sandalwood powder helps in softening your skin. So who doesn't like soft, supple baby skin? Second ingredient is Fuller Earth or Multani Mitti. This is like a hero of all the face packs because most of the girls out there know how to use Fuller Earth. And the first and foremost purpose I have used Fuller Earth in this face pack is it is a great cleanser. So it absorbs the extra oiliness and it absorbs all the impurity out from your facial pores. So if you have clogged facial pores, which is the prominent reason for breakouts, so Fuller Earth is something will help you out. So it absorbs all these impurities from your facial pores and it unclogs the pores. That's how it helps in getting the healthy skin. Third ingredient is curd. So Fuller Earth, as I said, it absorbs the oiliness from your skin. It can make your dry skin even drier. So that's why in order to maintain that balance, so I'm using curd as the ingredient to make it a paste-like consistency. You can use rose water or yogurt or just water as well. But yes, I told you the reason behind using curd in this face pack. So now let's apply the face pack. I have applied the face pack and I'll have to wait for minimum 10-15 minutes. So if you are already, very regular with face packs, these points which I'm going to share might or might not be like unknown to you. But if you are very new to face packing and stuff, so these points are going to help you out. So first point is, you can't blindly follow someone or just use every face packs which are out there, because we all have different skin types, we have different skin needs, and as per your skin type and skin needs, you need to choose the ingredient wisely. So you need to apply face pack on a clean skin with clean hands, or even you can use face pack brush, but I prefer using my hands or my fingers. So why? Because if your skin has dirt or makeup upon which you are applying the face pack, so your pores are not able to absorb the goodness of the face pack, right? Because there is this barrier of makeup or dirt on your skin. So in order to get most out of the face pack you're using, you need to make sure that your face is properly cleansed before applying face pack. Whenever you apply face pack on your skin or on your face, make sure you apply it on your neck as well, because your neck also requires good care, just like your facial skin. So if you have leftover face pack, whenever you make a homemade face pack, so don't throw it away. Just apply it on your hands, because hello, hand care. Next, whenever you apply face pack, when it gets semi-dry, that is the right time to wash it away, because when it gets really dry, it can make your skin more dry. So that's why when it gets semi-dry, that is the right time to wash it away. So when I say wash off the face pack, it's not just like splashing the water on your face and just wash it off. It's not like that. In order to make most out of the face pack, what you can do is you can gently rub your face pack against your face and then use the water and rub the face gently, and then you can clean your face in that way. So what happens is, most of the face pack has this small granules that helps in gentle scrubbing, and also it makes sure the ingredients are well absorbed by your facial pores, so you get 101% benefit out of your face pack. So people often ask me whether we should use facial cleanser or face wash to wash off the face pack. I would say no, because your skin has absorbed all the goodness out of the face pack, and you don't want to wash off that goodness out of your skin, right? So just water should be more than enough to cleanse your face after applying face pack. Most importantly, when you use homemade face packs, not every face pack is going to give you instant results. So it might take minimum 2 to 3 applications to get this visible difference in your skin. So you need to be very patient, very consistent when it comes to homemade face packs. But trust me, like most of the face packs, they do not have any side effects, and they do give you good results eventually. So these are the points which I could think of right now. So now I'll wait for 5 more minutes to get this face pack dried, semi-dried. So it's almost dry. I can feel that stretchy feeling on some parts of my face where it's a thin layer. So now I'm going to wash my face. So I have washed my face. Now I'm going to apply good moisturizer and stuff. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you have any skin concern, do ping me or give a comment in the comment section about your skin concern, skin type. I'm quite good at suggesting face packs. I'm not a dermatologist, but till date, for my friends whoever had asked me about their skin concern, the face pack which I have suggested them has really worked wonders on their skin. So if you have any concern, do let me know. Let me give it a try. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.